na tinatagurian na darling of the press. Ayan. So, yan. So, very own natin na press media, of course. Oo, of course, ang namili nito. Of course, the announcement of winners shall be on the coronation night. Starting off with the third, particular order of our finalists na to. Starting off with our third finalist, Miss Pitogo. Ayan, trying of the press. Ito naman, hindi naman pwede hindi kapag-ingalan kasi talagang yung Suchon. Next, post proper north side. Yung parang Korean drama actor yung at syempre, upper pigutan. Kung may crush nito, uy, kaya po sila. Yan po kaya the finalists for the turning of the press.
Closer. Yan. Center po. Center. 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 Smile.
Okay, after 100 shots, ngayon naman ay sasalo na ang ating mga kandidata para sa Q&A plenary session.